just taking a look at what those energy efficiency savings can really be for a customer. So this is comparing two UPSs, one that's at 93% efficiency and one that's at 97% efficiency, like a 9PX G2 model. The orange bars are showing per year how much is saved at 6 kVA, so about $358 per year. That's with the average cost of electricity, right? So if you're in a higher cost area of electricity, it could be quite a bit higher than that. And then the blue bars are showing the savings at 11 kVA. So this is meant to show that those energy efficiency ratings, it is significant. Energy efficiency is directly related to heat output. So the better the energy efficiency rating, the lower the heat output, and therefore the less money spent on cooling and lower energy bills overall. Lithium-ion is typically a little more expensive than the VRLA counterpart, right? So why would someone choose to pay that extra amount? So here's a lot of the reasons right here on the screen summarized for us. And all this is to say that, as mentioned, we are just launching 3 new UPS, 9PX G2 UPS lithium-ion. If you don't take anything else away from listening to this presentation today, I just hope you remember that. So it's a 6, 8, and 11 kVA UPS and 1 EBN. The last point to bring up here, just again reiterating, Eaton is a full solution IT infrastructure provider. So anything you see here on the screen, plus a lot more, PDUs, racks, KVMs, software to manage it all, cables, it's all out there and available from Eaton.